This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily scan, like pictures or documents or something like that on your Android tablet. So you can just swipe up from the bottom and we can go to apps and just go to files right here. So with files on the bottom on my tablet, I have this option right here. I can just select this and this will allow me to scan things. Searching for documents now. So I do have a cover on the back here, so I'm not going to be able to see anything. But I can go over an object now, and I can just try to scan it. So here's this phone, and it just scanned it right there. And it seems like it's automatically doing it. Okay, so you can take a picture too if you want. Okay, so it scanned like 2 or 3 things down here. And maybe I'll try flipping over and I'll do one more picture here. Okay, if it's not going to automatically do it, I'll just take a picture, boom. So it seems like it's doing a pretty good job at it. I got these pictures down here, let's look at them. And it did a pretty good job at cutting everything out. You can do a comparison. That looks actually really good. So let's go to number 2, and then number 3 is when I flipped it around, it's just a black screen. So you get all these down here, and then you go to next. And you can leave a review if you want. So the files have been saved. So this is what they look now, and this one is just under my images. It looks like they saved them all in one thread, so I have to scroll down to see them. But it's pretty good quality actually, I would say. And it looks like it's saved to a PDF. So if you want to print these now, go to the top right. We can print them now, right here. It looks like they're all in separate categories now, on separate pages if we try to print them. So that's convenient. And then just select your printer on the top. We can go to all printers. I don't think my printer's turned on, so I'm not going to be able to see anything. But that's one way that you can get them to a PDF real quick there too. You can save it as a PDF up here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.